Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to tag someone in a new picture on Facebook. It's quick, easy, and a great way to share memories with your friends and family. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, go to the What's on Your Mind section at the top of your feed. This is where you can create a new post. Next, tap on the Photo/Video option. This will open up your gallery or camera roll. Select the picture you want to upload by tapping on it. Once selected, tap Next or Done, depending on your device. Now that your photo is ready for posting, tap on the picture to open it fully. Look for the tag icon. It usually looks like a small person's silhouette or says Tag People. Tap on it to start tagging. Here's where the magic happens. Tap anywhere on the photo where you want to add a tag. A text box will appear. Start typing the name of the person you want to tag. Facebook will suggest profiles as you type. Simply select the correct profile from the list. Once you've tagged everyone you want, tap Done to save your tags. If everything looks good, go ahead and tap Post to share your photo with your friends and family. And that's it. You've successfully tagged someone in a new picture on Facebook. The person you tagged will receive a notification, and they'll be able to see and interact with your post. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging.